Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So where you can, guys, expect to find the horn fuse. We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What do you guys need to do? Okay, you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood on the driver's side, right in front of that's your car battery, right in front of it you have that cover. It has two tabs. Press them. That cover will open, and once you open it, on the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the horn we need to check one fuse. By the way, if your horn does not work, we have a special video on our YouTube channel why horn does not work on Dodge Ram. Check it out. One fuse will need to be checked, but quick advice, guys, always keep some spare fuses. Why? Because you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Sometimes they're hard to find, especially if you live in a small town or you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. It happened to us, we couldn't find a replacement fuse and we were stuck. So always keep some spares. The horn fuse is known as fuse number 42. We're talking about this 20 amp fuse that you see right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.